Good morning. Today, Tandega and Sanele will be presenting you their pop-up space for Pringle of Scotland in South Africa that highlight their rebrand identity and the brand image. The name Convergence speaks to the nature of combining the elements of creation. This is in relation to creation of the famous Pringle of Scotland stapled the sweater. The core of the brand image of Pringle of Scotland is nostalgia and how it aims to celebrate its sweater. Therefore, this pop-up shop aims to focus on the behind the scenes in creation of this famous symbol of the brand. The core idea of the convergence is to take us through the process of making the sweater. The first area of the pop-up will engage with the raw materials of the sweater, which is the wool, and exploring the different textures of Pringle of Scotland process. The first, the first area aims to educate the consumer of the raw materials and how Pringle aims to be sustainable in its use of material. The second area is the creation where we see the knitting process, and this will encourage the participant in creating with using the wool provided. The third stall is seeing the final product and feel, how the quality of the raw materials are realized in the different types of wools. On your right hand side, we can see these images are an inspiration to our pop-up shop. All those circles in different sizes, they will be turned into diamonds as representing the Pringle brand. Since while we're gonna have those diamonds in different shapes, they will be hanging from the ceiling. And also, when we see that mat made out of wool, we will have that mat on the floor, which gives the customer a sense of warmth and a good welcome into our store. To make the diamond shape decoration, we will be using string art. Pop-up stores are essential to the retail fashion industry because they build brand awareness and they help retail build good, intimate relationships with their customers. They help customers desire new products. Pop-ups give customers something to talk about and to share their experience with other people. The focus of the pop-up is to utilize the senses of touch, sight, and sound. The concept is to have an intimate moment of the Pringle story and how it creates its jersey. Touch or feel something that reminds us of warmth and cozy days inside on a cold winter's day, reminding us of the nostalgic moments that takes us that makes us feel safe, comfortable, and warm. In the current trends, the influence of the pandemic panic, the customer wants to feel at ease. According to Yiga, the loss of touch due to the pandemic has impacted individuals greatly because touch is the most powerful safety signal to togetherness. Yiga further explains how touch activates our sense of security, and this is achieved by neurotransmitters in the brain that is dopamine, serotonin, and oxytocin, which activate a variety of feel good emotions that lower depression and make you feel comfortable and happy. Cashmere knitwear that lasts is a signature product of Pringle of Scotland. Their target market is young professionals in the age range of 22 to 29. 70% are males and 30% are women. Mixed race with a LSM of 8 to 10. Furthermore, they target an emerging heritage market composed of men and women aged at 30 to 40, mixed race, and the LSM of 8 to 10. Customers always want real life experiences. The location of the pop up will be displayed at the Stadio School of Fashion campus. This location is a live lab, and the concept is perfect for the target audience as it aims directly to the niche market of the fashion retailer who is brand loyal and appreciates quality of the product provided. In addition to catching the customer's attention, pop-ins provide customers with information about the stores, helping to increase sales and promote brand awareness. The space would appeal to the target market since there would be many people near the pop-up store and more people would want to see why there are so many people around. It is important to create a specific pop-up space for the current general perception to grow and attract new customers. On the right-hand side is a picture of two young girls. These young professionals are our target market for this pop-up store.